Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're having an unboxing video. So I got this package sent to me by the company called ENOKING Chef Knife. They've sent me this absolutely beautiful ENOKING Japanese chef knife. I just absolutely love the way this has been packaged. It looks so beautiful. So inside of it has got this square package, which I think is the instruction and manual and care package. This is a square thing which we'll have a look at later on. This is an instruction manual which tells you everything you need to know about the knife. It's got this lovely velvety cover to protect the knife, which I absolutely love. Just take a look at that. It looks beautiful and sturdy and very strong. I love the wooden handle. It also has this plastic sharp edge protection, which is amazing. Now let's open up this package and see what is inside. It's a little square cloth, which is very useful. So anytime you finish using the knife and you wash it, you can just simply wipe it down. I think that's absolutely perfect. So I can't wait to try this out. Today I'm gonna be making coleslaw. Normally with coleslaw, if your knife is not very sharp, it doesn't really do the job well. You'll have chunky bits from your cabbage. So I'm going to be using my brand new ENOKING Japanese chef knife to try out with this recipe. As soon as I started slicing my cabbage, I noticed how absolutely effortless the knife was gliding through the cabbage. It was just gliding through. I didn't need to force it. It's very sharp. I've also noticed that the wooden handle of this ENOKING chef knife feels very sturdy. It grips very well and it feels like I'm going to own this knife for so many years to come. If you'd like to learn more about the ENOKING chef knife, especially this Japanese chef knife, please click the link in my description box below. So back to our coleslaw. You need to make sure you slice your cabbage as thinly as possible, which is why having a very sharp knife as this one is absolutely important. Have a look at how absolutely thinly this has sliced my cabbage. I'm so pleased with the result. So throw your cabbage into a bowl. A large bowl would be good so you have enough space to mix it around. Now I'm going to be using 2 carrots for this. Simply use the large size of your shredder and shred the cabbage nicely. Once that's ready, simply slide it out of the shredder and then add it onto the bowl in which we had the cabbage. Now let's make a simple dressing for the coleslaw. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of Dijon Mustard, black pepper and salt. Now that's all you need. So simply mix this nice and gently until it's all nicely incorporated. Look at that texture, very nice and light. Once you're done mixing that, we're going to simply throw this onto our shredded cabbage and carrots, and we're going to simply use a fork and mix everything together. Once everything is nicely mixed, I'm going to simply refrigerate it before serving. I'm going to be serving this with some jollof rice and some grilled chicken. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you can try it out sometime. This might be a good time to remind you, if you haven't already, to please click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel as it really helps to grow my channel. Thank you for that. So I'm going to say a very huge thank you to ENOKING Chef Knife for sending me this absolutely gorgeous chef knife. I'm going to treasure it for a very long time to come. If you'd like to know more, please click the link in my description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.